music school. Pass by the music school to get to the sailing school. You can see the masts right there. There's the boats down there. Go through the old fort. Listen to the opera. There's the music school. Don't know if that music is coming through on the speaker. Walk along this old fort. The Corfu Sailing School down here, and the club restaurant. We walk down this. Just crazy. So when the cab driver dropped me off, he just said, like, okay, here you are. And he dropped me off down here. I was like, okay. It was dark out. It's like, where did you drop me? It's like in some dungeon. And he's like, just go down these stairs. I was like, okay. He's like, just go down these stairs. Okay, it's dark out. It's like at night. So I turned my phone flashlight and head right down here.